Are you doing anything for your skin? Do you worried about it? Are you interested to take care of your skin? Then watch this video up to the end. Hello gorgeous, welcome to my channel. I'm going to show you a magical remedy for this season to keep your skin moisturized and tight. My skin is having lots of trouble in this season, having breakouts here, and I don't know how to cure it. Then I thought, let me do something for my skin, and it works wonder. And it's disappeared now. No blemishes, no dark spots, nothing. So here I'm showing a mask which can cure your problem for this season. So let's get started. Here I'm taking 2 teaspoons of orange peel powder. If you want to know how to make orange peel powder, there is a link in description box. 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel, 2 tablespoons of honey, 2 tablespoons of bajra flour. If you don't have bajra flour, then you can use chickpea flour instead. 2 tablespoons of orange juice, 2 tablespoons of thickened cream or malai or ghee, which will help us to keep our moisture in place. Add all the ingredients in a clean bowl and mix it very well until you get a smooth paste. Apply it on your hand, feet or entire body. It's better to apply before going to shower. Bajra flour helps us fight against infection, anti-aging process and promotes good skin. It has some amazing natural skin whitening properties to fade down freckles. It cleans dirt and impurity from skin and gives nice flawless complexion. Orange peel powder, excellent scrubbing, which helps to take out all the dead skin cells. After application, leave it for 15 to 20 minutes to dry. Once the mask dries, partially use warm water and start rubbing your skin very gently for 3 to 5 minutes. Scrubbing can remove all the dirt from your skin and leave your skin polished. If you have sensitive skin, then don't rub more than 2 minutes. Aloe vera gel heals and soothes the skin. It helps to remove the suntan. It works as a moisturizer and tightens the skin. Honey and orange juice work as a skin bleach. It instantly brightens up the complex and also reduces dark spots and blemishes. And lastly, thickened cream restore moisture, remove wrinkles and make your skin look younger. After washing off all the mask, apply aloe vera cucumber ice cube all over to soothe your skin in this hot spring. Leave it for some time and apply hand cream if you need so. Please like, subscribe to my channel